AutoCAD Tutorials for 2020. This course contains a detailed explanation of AutoCAD commands and their applications to solve drafting and design problems. Every command is thoroughly explained with the help of examples and illustrations. This makes it easy for users to understand the functions and applications in the drawing. After going through this course, you will be able to use AutoCAD commands to make a drawing, dimension a drawing, applying constraints, insert texts and blocks, create 3D objects, generate drafting views of the model, 3D print a model, use CAD standards, and advanced applications in AutoCAD software. This course covers basic drafting and designing concepts such as dimension principles, and assembly drawing that equip the users with the essential drafting skills to solve problems. While going through this course, the user will learn some advanced tools introduced in the recent versions of AutoCAD such as DWG Compare, Save to Web and Mobile, Shared View, CAD Standards, 3D Print, and more. In this course, special emphasis has been laid on industrial applications and usage of AutoCAD tools so that it serves beginners as well as professionals to understand the functions of the tools and their applications in the drawing. Who this course is for: 1. Engineers, mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, and others, draftsmen, students, designers, and anyone who desire to learn CAD. What will I learn? 1. After finishing this course, the user will be able to use AutoCAD commands to make a drawing, dimension a drawing, apply constraints to sketches, insert symbols as well as create text, blocks, and dynamic blocks. 2. Prepare for the AutoCAD certification exams. 3. Work with projects like floor plans, circuit diagrams, and mechanical drafting.